The test plate here. I've got lithium, potassium, barium, and calcium and strontium crystals labeled on that tray. I'll show you a closer view of that. Hope you can see that clearly. They're just crystals of different chemicals. And now I'm just going to take some water and wet these different salts out so I can get them on the end of my rod. There's some water there. Water into the strontium. Hope it doesn't mix. Water into the barium. Ooh. Well, with too much water. And some water into the calcium. Spilled over a little bit as well. And we're going to light the burner. It's a little hotter than what you have with your alcohol burner. Just show you what happens here. Get as close as possible so you can see the flame color. Without any problem. There we are. That should do for a flame test. We'll light the burner. Hopefully we have enough gas in there. I'm using the steel rod. Can you see that here? As a probe. All I'm going to do is wet the end of it with the lithium solution and then hold it. You can see the red flame for lithium? It burns off. Then I'll clean it off. This is a simplified version of your lab, but it works easily to demonstrate the colors. See the beautiful crimson color you get from lithium. The other elements, the other metals, are not so easy to see. It's going to be difficult to detect the potassium and the potassium chloride, but I'll wet it on the end or hold it here. There's still lithium left on there. You saw the red. Try some more potassium chloride. If not, we'll just get a little bit. You see a little violet? You see the violet there? There's like a violet color. You see it towards the end, up in this area. You also see some orange. And that might be from the steel of the rod. Well, that's the violet. You can see around in there. You can see some violet. Okay. Let's see what happens with the barium. The barium's supposed to give you yellow-green, and it's very hard to get the barium to work. Geez, we get more crimson. Hope I did the right salt in there. Well, that's a brilliant orange color. I wonder what salt that is. Is that barium? Well, it's our result, so we'll write it down. We seem to get some orange. I bet you that's strontium. And I mixed it up with the barium. Let me just check the strontium here. Ah, that's the barium. I got them mixed up. You see the yellow-green? I mixed that up. I've got it mislabeled. I'm rushing this out because a lot of students are not getting positive results here. There it is. See the yellow-green? I'll do it once more for you. This is barium. And you get like a pale yellow-green, like a pear color.